Hi and welcome to episode 2 of our crocheting gift item series. My name is Anna, and in today's video I will be showing you how to do a bookmark, which is the one I have in this book here. This is the bookmark that we will be making today. We're gonna chain 35 stitches, and with that being said, we're gonna get straight into today's video. So if you don't already know how to make a chain stitch, you can go ahead and watch my how to do basic stitches video that I make. I'll leave a link to that here. Now that we have our 35 chains on our hook, we're gonna go ahead and start with our shell. And you're just gonna turn your work. Right, you're gonna yarn over. You're gonna insert your hook in the second loop from your hook. You're gonna pull through. You're gonna insert your hook in the third loop from your hook. You're gonna insert it from in the fourth and in the fifth. Now you're supposed to have 6 loops on your hook. You're gonna pull through all 6 loops. Once you've done that, you're gonna go ahead and chain 1, and under your chain 1, which is what we call the eye, you're gonna insert your hook, pull up a loop. In the last chain that you made from the previous one, you're gonna insert your hook, pull up a loop, and in the chain that you did the stitch, you're gonna insert your hook, pull up a loop, then you're gonna insert your hook in 1, 2. You're gonna have 6 loops on your hook. Each time that you're gonna pull through to form the shell, you want to ensure that you have 6 loops on your hook. And then you're gonna chain 1, insert your hook in the eye, pull up a loop. You're gonna insert your hook under the last loop, that's the last chain. Then you're gonna insert your hook in the chain that you did the stitch. You're gonna insert your hook 1, 2. You're gonna have 6 loops on your hook. You're gonna pull through all 6, and we're just gonna do this until we're at the end. Alright, so we're at the end of row 1. We're gonna go ahead, chain 1. We're gonna turn our work, and into that chain 1 space, we're gonna do a double crochet. Just gonna do a double crochet into that chain 1 space. And then we're gonna do a double crochet in the stitch beside it. And then from there forward, we're just gonna double crochet in the eye. And the eye is basically these circles that you're seeing. So we're gonna double crochet in we're gonna do a single crochet, in all of the eyes. We're gonna do 2 single crochet in each of the eyes. going across. And as I said, the eye is basically this circle thing. So we're gonna put 2 single crochets into the eye. Alright, so once we're at the end, we're gonna go ahead and we're just gonna go ahead and slip stitch into the top here. We're just gonna slip stitch into the top, and then we're gonna clip off. And we're gonna pull it through. And there you have it. We're gonna just weave this in now. Just gonna stick that through the back. And we're just gonna weave it through the back, and you're just gonna go ahead and we're gonna make the tassel. Now you're gonna need something to wrap your yarn around. You can use a book or a piece of board. I'm just gonna use my hands. I'm just gonna wrap it around my hands like this. But once you're through, you're just gonna I'm gonna have to get up because I'm sitting down. I still hope you enjoyed. So we do now have our beautiful, I'm gonna find back my page where it's at. Okay, so now we do have our beautiful bookmark, and it might be a little bit wavy now. However, if you notice, this one is a lot straighter than the one that we've just made. The way to basically combat this is you're just gonna steam it. If the yarn you're using is acrylic, do not put your steamer on your yarn, that will burn it. you're just gonna like hold your steamer over your yarn and that spraying some warm water over it, or just using the steam, and that will basically straighten it out. Be sure to either stick pins inside of it or lay something flat on it to basically give it that shape. This video was not perfect. If there's anything that you were not clear on, I'll be more happy to do a remake of the video. I do want to thank you so much for watching. Enjoy your day, month, year, week, minute, second, hour. Just have a wonderful day, night, year, month. And thank you so much for watching. And I do hope I see you in episode 3. Bye.